Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to find complete generative AI project source code from trusted platforms like GitHub, Hugging Face Spaces, Code Project, Kaggle, Google Colab, and Google Search. So, let's get started. GitHub is a widely used online platform that enables developers to host, manage, and collaborate on software projects using version control. It is built on Git and allows teams to track changes, review code, and work together efficiently from anywhere. GitHub supports open source and private repositories, making it ideal for learning, collaboration, and enterprise development. It also provides powerful features such as issue tracking, pull requests, and project management tools. Hugging Face Spaces is a platform for hosting and sharing live AI applications built with Gradio or Streamlit. It allows developers to explore complete generative AI projects such as text, image, audio, and video generation. Each space provides full source code, dependency files, and model configurations. It is widely used for showcasing real-world AI demos and experiments. Hugging Face Spaces is one of the best platforms for complete Gen AI applications. Kaggle Notebooks provide a cloud-based environment for data science and generative AI experimentation. Users can access thousands of public notebooks containing complete source code for machine learning and Gen AI projects. The platform supports Python, GPUs, and datasets in one place. It is ideal for learning, prototyping, and benchmarking AI models. Google Colab is an online Jupyter notebook environment that allows users to run Python code directly in the browser. It offers free access to GPUs and TPUs, making it popular for generative AI development. Many complete AI notebooks are publicly shared and reusable. Colab is widely used for training, testing, and demonstrating AI models. Code Project is a developer-focused community platform that provides tutorials, articles, and full project source code. It includes practical generative AI, machine learning, and software engineering examples. Each article typically explains concepts step by step with implementation details. It is suitable for beginners and professionals looking for applied AI solutions. Google Search is a powerful tool for discovering generative AI project source code across the internet. By using targeted keywords, developers can find GitHub repositories, blogs, research papers, and tutorials. It helps uncover niche or less known AI projects not listed on major platforms. Effective search queries can lead to high-quality learning resources. Use smart queries like Generative AI project source code GitHub, LLM chatbot Python GitHub. You'll often discover hidden repositories and blogs sharing full implementations. In the resource section, you'll discover 100+ generative AI project source codes, each listed with a clear title and direct web URL. This rich collection helps you explore the latest trends in generative AI, from LLMs to real-world AI applications. That's it for the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your community. Thanks for watching and happy coding.